The 1 2000 watt solar streetlight is equipped with 56 high-intensity LED lights that provide exceptional brightness, making it suitable for various outdoor settings. Its robust die-cast aluminum housing and IP67 waterproof certification ensure the light can withstand harsh weather conditions, including snowstorms and typhoons. Featuring advanced solar technology, the monocrystalline panel offers a fast charging time of 5 to 6 hours, powering the 40,000 milliampere-hour battery for extended use. The light offers versatile operation modes with a professional remote, including an all-night mode, motion sensor, timer, and dimming options. Installation is straightforward with the complete kits provided for mounting on walls, poles, or fences, and the product is backed by a 24-month warranty. This solar streetlight is an excellent choice for those seeking a durable and efficient lighting solution for large outdoor areas.